How to remove image background in MS Word. Welcome to Softakia. Guys, in this video we are going to learn how can we remove image background in MS Word easily. So let's watch this video till end. Open MS Word and insert image in your MS Word document. Here I am inserting an image from my local device. Now click on image and click on picture format section, which is located at the top and the last. Then see at the right side corner in the picture format section and click on remove background. This will select automatically to remove, but here we have to see at again top corner and click on mark area to keep. Then we will get a pencil icon and click and drag pencil icon on the part of image those we want to keep. If you want to remove some part but it is not selected to remove, then see again at the top right side corner and here we can see a mark area to remove option and click on it. Then we will get a pencil icon again and drag that pencil icon on that part which you want to remove and click on keep changes on the top right corner again. That's all. It will remove our background successfully. If you got this video informative, then like this video and subscribe this channel.